Here's how to develop a growth mindset in under 60 seconds. It all starts with self-awareness. You have to first realize that your mindset is a problem. Most people don't even realize this until it's too late. So the first step is to become aware of your thoughts and how they affect your actions. Next, you need to start questioning your beliefs. Are your beliefs helping you, or are they holding you back? For example, do you believe that you're not good enough, or that you don't deserve success? If so, these beliefs will hold you back from achieving your goals. And finally, you need to take action. Start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself, and then work your way up. As you start to see progress, you'll feel motivated to keep moving forward. It's important to note that developing a growth mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's something that you have to work at constantly. But the good news is that once you develop this mindset, it will help you achieve anything that you want in life. So take the first step today and start becoming more aware of your thoughts. This is the first step towards developing a growth mindset.